focused on making aesthetic and sturdy bricks.
We have a plant, a highly advanced plant in Delhi NCR now.
He is behind the success of JMB.
I have utmost belief uh, in my team and the thing that I do, which is how I am doing what I am doing.
NewsX India A-List proudly recognizes Lakshay Jindal for excellence in business entrepreneurship.
Hello and welcome. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on this special interview as part of our NewsX A-List series. We're in conversation today with Lakshay Jindal. Lakshay is Director and CMO, Jindal Mechno Bricks. Welcome to the show, Lakshay. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me tonight.
Well, let me begin by just talking to you a bit about Jindal Bricks. Tell us about the company and what your role is.
So Uday, I oversee marketing and awareness campaigns run by the company. And I also help set up distributorships across the country for Jindal Mechno Bricks. Jindal Mechno Bricks, or more popularly Jindal Bricks, is a machine-made brick and tile manufacturing company. We started in 1972, in fact, with handmade brick manufacturing. And 1996, we shifted to machine-made brick and tile manufacturing. We have a plant, a highly advanced plant in Delhi NCR now, and we are currently one of the largest manufacturer of machine-made brick and tile, with the production capacity of over 200 tons per day.
Okay, fantastic. And what's the strength of the company according to you?
Strengths, in fact, I'm glad you asked this question, Uday. So as I mentioned, we have a state-of-the-art facility at Jindal Bricks with the machines imported from various parts of Europe, Italy, Spain, and Germany. And what it does is we are able to run production 24/7 and 365 days of the year, unlike our counterparts. Another very important thing that we boast about at Jindal Bricks is our ability to innovate. Throughout past few decades, in fact, we have been launching new product categories under Jindal Bricks. We have increased the variety of products on offer under each category and improved the product itself. Also, we don't stop there. We welcome customization requests from manufacturers of other materials, designers, architects, real estate developers. And so all in all, we are trying to adapt to new trends and advance ourselves technologically.
Okay. And just tell us a bit also about the cost saving aspect of the bricks as well, that you produce, and of course related products.
Yeah. In fact, Uday, to answer this question, let me just show you the brick here.
Okay.
Wow. So what I'm trying to say is, it's not an ordinary brick by any means or standards. In fact, it's an ultra-light brick with double the compressive strength than an ordinary brick. So buyers get a direct 10% saving in steel and concrete. On top of that, these are face bricks. These are not supposed to be painted or plastered. This means you save both your time and money by not using these material, and again, the recurring maintenance cost that comes along with it. One of the main features of our products, in fact, all the product categories that we have is brick, tile, roof tile, pavers, is the colors that are on offer. We offer multiple colors in it and all natural, no chemicals or pigments added. So the products are completely eco-friendly. In fact, these colors are achieved by mixing various clays procured from different parts of the country and exposing them to the right temperature.
Okay.
Also, another thing that I forgot to mention is the thermal and sound insulation that it has. Okay. So our products are engineered to have excellent thermal and sound insulation, which means buyers get lower air conditioning bills in summer and lower heating bills in the winters.
Okay. So that's
So
another
all in all,
possibility.
I mean, at Jindal Bricks, we are able to deliver a highly durable product with zero maintenance that is saving you money until the building lasts.
Okay. I have to ask you then, I'm sure you'll get a lot more clients and customers, through this interview as well. But what can a customer expect from your product? What should he expect?
Buyers should definitely expect the highest level of quality and consistency in our products. Time and again, people have used our products for to get that spiritual feel into their home. One of I think the major aspect of using brick and related products is the timeless beauty. Being in this industry for so many years now, I think it's important to note there are a lot of products that come and go out of fashion. They come in trends and then go out of fashion, but not this. We still go to European cities and admire their architecture, primarily made of bricks. So that's another aspect. And on this, also, I would like to thank a lot of architects and designers who have very innovatively used our products in the past few years. And many of the buildings using our products have appeared in or featured in prominent magazines like AD, Design, Elle Decor. So buyers can definitely expect that wow factor in their space.
Okay. Well, we've spoken a lot about about what you manufacture and of course the USP of the company. But now I have to ask you about the vision. What's the vision, Lakshay, of the company?
Uday, I think after serving so many clients like Ashoka University, Umrao, and then 32nd Milestone, many prominent architects like Veer Mueller Architects, Perkins Eastman, and lakhs of customers, I think our vision is clear. We want to be setting the benchmarks here in the industry, and we want to continue to manufacture products that help real estate developers, designers, architects, hoteliers, build beautiful, sustainable places in both faster and cheaper. Another role that we want to play in through Jindal Bricks is in sustainable development, sustainable development agenda of the government. As you maybe everyone's aware about how the climate change is happening, and so we want to play our part. And we have partnered with renowned scientific labs to help us increase our ability to use waste and also recycle old bricks into new ones. Okay,
great. Well, we've pretty much run out of time, but I think the last question I'd like to ask you is a personal one for you. What's your success mantra? What's your mantra for success? I'm sure there are many people watching today who'd like to know that. So what's your, success mantra?
Uday, I think it's just diligence and believing in the product and the company, in the team. I think that is what will take any entrepreneur further. I have utmost belief in my team and the thing that I do, which is how I am doing what I'm doing.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Lakshay Jindal, for joining us once again on NewsX A-List, and wishing you and of course the entire team behind Jindal Bricks all the very best.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.